Good morning to all of you. Today we are talking about mental health. Mental health refers to cognitive, behavioral, and emotional well being. It is all about how people think, feel, and behave. People sometimes use the term mental health to mean the absence of a mental disorder. Mental health can affect daily livings, relationships, and physical health. Fear, worry, and stress are normal responses to perceive or real threats, and at times when we are faced with uncertainty or unknown, so it is a normal and understandable that people are experiencing fear in the context of COVID-19 pandemic. Anxiety, stress, depression, sadness, these are the main cause of mental disorder. So there are some ways to protect the children's mental health amid COVID-19. For this, we should get active, we should follow a routine, and we should meditate daily. If we meditate and do exercise daily, it will also give us mental stress. So we should be get active, and mostly we should encourage the children to be get active. They should do some recreational work like gardening, painting, and craft work at home. So these all things are very important for the mental health of children. They should do craft and artwork. Apart from this, children should also connect with their loved ones creatively. Virtual visits to their loved one, writing them letters and text can relieve stress of children. It will also boost their energy, involvement, and communication skills. So these are very important things. As a parents and adults, we should keep in mind to try to relieve the stress of children during this pandemic. And this is also a very important that we should give the healthy diet to our children. Eat healthy means stay healthy. Diet that is rich in fruits and vegetables can boost their immune system and protect against the harmful viruses and bacteria that cause illness. So we should take care of our diet. We should eat only healthy things. As a children, it is a duty of an adult to give them right information. Parents and teachers should provide right information to children about pandemic, and we should make them aware how they can become a healthy child. Being willing to talk, they will already heard something. Silence and secrets do not protect children. Honesty and openness do. Think about how much they will understand. You know the best. So this is a very important duty of teachers and parents to give the right information about pandemic to the children, and we should also guide them about how to keep proper hygienics. So mental health is very important for children as well as adults.